la 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 la. Just some things, 1,000 little words.
A person's hair part can say a lot about their personality.
A person can often send messages about their personality by simply changing their hair.
Studies show that where a hair is parted directly correlates with a person's personality, or the personality that they wish others to see.
With this presentation, we will show you what your hair part could say about you.
Let's start with the left side. A left hair part subliminally calls attention to the left hemisphere of the brain, which is associated with verbal sharpness and keen logic. Additionally, it is traditionally attributed to masculinity and strength.
A right hair part subliminally calls attention to the right hemisphere of the brain, which is associated with artistic, musical, and visual skills, and is traditionally attributed to femininity.
In the past, different notable figures have changed their hair part in order to send a different message about themselves. In 1979, President Jimmy Carter changed his hair part from right to left. Historians say that the president's switch suggested a resurgence of his populist image and a moving away from anything suggesting an elitist attitude.
Hillary Clinton recently changed her hair part from left side to the right side. A woman who parts her hair on the left and who is striving for positive assessment in a traditionally male role, for example in business or politics, is shown to be taken more seriously than a woman with a right part. On the right, a woman is emphasizing the intensity of the mental process, which is traditionally attributed to femininity. Hillary hoped to use her hair change to soften her image and make her more accessible to the American public.
So class, we ask you this. Does your hair part have a lasting impression on the kind of person you want to be?
Is there a correlation between styling your hair a certain way and the person you try to embody on a daily basis?
As an experiment, try changing your natural hair part to see what kind of reactions you might get.
Maybe people will start to look at you differently. Maybe you will look at yourself different.
When you are watching TV or out with friends, see if you notice people's parts and what they represent.
And keep in mind what the right and left hair part represent about who you are.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.